In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a partial Turkish get-up. So if you're looking for the whole Turkish get-up, go to a video where I've done the whole entirety of the Turkish get-up. This is just the first part, and it's to go through the health and safety of the first part of the exercise. So I've got a kettlebell here, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you the first initial phase. So when we come on to kettlebell training or kettlebell Turkish get-ups, you'll always get away with doing bad form when you have a light weight. So when you have a really heavy weight, that's when people start to get shoulder problems. And it always tends to be the start bit of the exercise. Now I'm going to show you the start bit on the left side, but I'll actually show you when I do the first initial part of the exercise on my right side, so you can see best on the camera. Now, imagine I've got this kettlebell to the side of me. The temptation is to start on your back and then do this awkward external rotation and come up. This puts the shoulder joint under a lot of pressure. So what I want you to do is get into the good habit, even with a light weight, of clasping your fingers around the kettlebell, rolling onto your back, and then coming into your start position. It'd be the same to put the weight down, but that would be the safest possible way of how to start this exercise. And the last thing you want to do is, considering this is a conditioning exercise, is to get injured. So let's go through the exercise in the first initial phase. So this would be to do quick repetitions of your first initial part. So firstly, I've brought myself onto my back. I've brought the kettlebell into position. I'm going to punch the kettlebell up, and the same side that I've punched the kettlebell up, I'm also going to bring my knee into a flexed position. My foot's on the floor, and what I'm now going to do is extend the arm out, so my opposing arm to the one that I've got in contact with the kettlebell. I'm always looking at the kettlebell here as I come up onto my forearm. From here, I'm going to now bring myself firstly onto my hand. Secondly, I'm going to bring the hips up. That looks like so. I then bring the hips down, back onto my forearm, and back to my start position. So let's go through it again. If you're in this position, you're going to bring the weight up and also the knee flexes. So you're going to bring your foot in contact with the floor. Then you've got that diagonal position now with the opposing arm. I'm now going to bring myself into a position where I'm on my elbow. Now onto my hand. As I come up onto my hand, my hips come up. So you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions to do a partial Turkish get-up. So this could be someone that maybe is not confident with the whole movement, or just somebody who wants to focus on that explosive power when they're starting to do the movement. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that's how to do a partial Turkish get-up.